In this episode, let's talk about our truck kits. At Miller Ingenuity, we redefine the business of truck kits. Instead of having a big box of loosely packaged parts, we have set up kits to flow through the overhaul shop as needed. No two shops are the same, so why should they be treated like it? We work with each customer and find out what they want, when they need it, and how they want it packaged to work the most efficient in their shop. Once we finalize the list of materials, we load it into our ERP system, which connected to our pick-to-light called Pickstar. This allows us to pick the materials accurately every time. All the parts are labeled for easy identification. All the bag parts show the part numbers and the quantities of them to double check the count accuracy. Kits only include what you need to get the job done right the first time. Nobody wants to pay extra for parts they don't use. We like to be present for the delivery of the first kit to ensure it meets everyone's satisfaction. If there are changes to add or subtract material, we make those changes right away. This can be done after the first kit or anytime you need to make a change. We can provide a stocking program as needed to meet your needs. You can get what you need when you want it. If you're not using our kits today, we can help. This will reduce purchasing time and the possibility of missed items. We supply kits with over 50 line items. That's a lot to keep track of for anyone, so let us do it for you. Also, the time to stage the material for the job would take much more space than our kit does. For more information about our truck kits, please visit our website.